Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a new custom object in Salesforce, a powerful way to tailor your CRM to fit your business needs. First, log into your Salesforce dashboard and click the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Advanced Setup. Next, use the quick find box and type Object Manager. Click on it to access all standard and custom objects. After that, click the Create button and select Custom Object. This opens a form where you define your new object. Start by entering a clear label for your object, like invoice or project. Salesforce will auto-generate the API name, but you can edit it if needed. Then set up the record name field. This is the primary identifier for each record, such as invoice number. Choose a data type, text, for manual entry or auto number for automatic sequencing. You can also configure options like enabling reports, tracking field history, or allowing activities. These settings help align the object with your workflow. To complete, click Save to finalize your new custom object. It's now ready to support your data structure and business processes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.